Welcome back. Now, if you have Canva for Work, one of the things you can do is you can download your image as a GIF file or animated image. And so to do that, what you do is you'd go to your download area. You're then going to look for the file type. You'll then click on the drop-down arrow. You'll then choose animation, which will be enabled because you have Canva for Work. And it's in this panel that you can choose your animation style. And you'll see them here. And as you click on each one, you can see how the animation is going to perform once the image is created. Once you choose a particular animation style, then you can determine which file format the image is going to be downloaded in. So for example, we can choose that a file format will be MP4, or we can choose that the file format will be animated GIF. In this case, we're going to choose that this is going to be an animated GIF. We're then going to click Download. Canva will then prepare the design. You'll then be able to download the image to your hard drive. Once you do that, then what you can do is you can click on the animated image so that you can look at it to see if it meets your specifications. And you'll see that our image is now animated. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.